Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can change keyboard style in VIVO. So firstly, you will need to launch settings, then enter the system management category. Onwards go for the input or language and input actually, then tap at the Kika keyboard for VIVO over here. Then go for the theme, and now you can customize your theme or select a pre-made custom theme from the theme store. Let's say I'll go with this one. Then tap at the download button, wait for this theme to be downloaded. Then hit the apply button, and that will be it. That's how my keyboard looks now. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.